All right, here's a quick video on the Ford tractor backhoe 550. It's running. It's got a weak battery, so we had to jump it, so I'm not shutting it off. I took quite a few pictures, but here's an overview. Just kind of go around. Looks like a 12-inch bucket on the back here. She's a good runner. Sorry about the glare. Got some bad sun right now. So I'll hop on it and take you for a little spin. And that'll be that. So we got preview day on the 15th from 9 to 4. Come down and check these items out for yourself. Auction days on the 16th. Let me hop in here and we'll take it for a drive. All right, here we go. Get it out of the sun here. Reverse. All right, that's gonna do it for the Ford. Thanks for watching.